Here goes the tornado sirens, everyone. We had the sirens going off early this morning at 9:58, and now it's going off again a second time. I have decided to capture this video today only because I'm trying something new today. This is the Cal City tornado sirens. Every Tuesday I'll do this for you guys, because I know a lot of people loves tornado sirens, so. And this is over by the mall. That's where we could hear it, as by the mall. And we are about maybe 3 blocks . Alright folks, those are tornado sirens. I hope to capture it when there is an actual tornado so that you guys can see it in our skies. Thank you guys so much for watching.